Shenzhen Connector Technology Co Limited was established in 2002. The company now has 7,200 square meters production base and more than 360 employees. We are famous for our professional manufacturing capability, management, and business capacity. Shenzhen Connector has a full process connector production technology, including product design, mold manufacturing, injecting molding, stamping, turning, electroplating, automatic assembly, and component wiring harness processing. Our annual output reaches 1.8 million sets of connector and 300,000 sets of connectors with cable. We have capability to develop competitive customized products based on customer-specific need. We continuously insist on developing and researching our core technologies, and we design no less than 310 sets of new products in research and development every year. Shenzhen Connector has a flexible cooperation model for responding to market trends quickly. Our products have a wide range of applications area, including medical equipment, industrial electronics, power and modularization, 5G IoT security and communication, test and measurement, rail transit, etc. Shenzhen Connector has a diversified customer base around the world, not only covering 32 provincial administrative regions in China, but also exporting the products to more than 50 countries and regions around the world, covering North America, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, etc. Shenzhen Connector has passed ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management Certificate, ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management Certificate, ISO 1345-2016 Medical Device Management Certificate, IATF 16949-2016 Automotive Quality Management Certificate, Power Association Member, Medical Association Member, CE, UL, TUV, CCC, etc. The company obtained dozens of design patent and industry association certificates, as well as be awarded as one of the pilot benchmark of National High-Tech Enterprise Pilot Benchmark. We are changing the history and creating the dream. We keep moving forward. We keep staying true to our original aspiration and a founding mission. We focus on providing the highest quality standard products and customized solutions to our global customers. We are committed to become the world-class connector manufacturer and customers' honorary partner.